Are you in search of a gaming laptop that offers outstanding performance and an immersive gaming experience? Well, look no further. The all-new HP Omen 16 with Intel i5 and RTX 4050 is here to take your gaming sessions to the next level. This year it comes in an all-new design packed with powerful features. So is it good? Is it bad? How is the performance? What about the thermals? Is it better than last year's model? And more importantly, is it worth buying? In this comprehensive review, we will dive deep into the features, design, performance, thermals, and overall value of this gaming beast. Before we delve into the details, let's take a quick look at the general specifications of HP Omen 16. The laptop is powered by Intel's Core i5-13420H processor, which boasts 8 cores and 16 threads, of which 4 are performance cores and 4 are efficiency cores. With a maximum clock speed of 4.6 GHz, this processor ensures smooth and seamless multitasking. While the maximum TDP of this processor is 45 watts to maintain the thermals, it does not at all impact the gaming performance. The laptop also features an NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU with 6GB of GDDR6B RAM with a maximum TDP of 120 watts, providing stunning graphics and excellent gaming performance. To complement the powerful CPU and GPU, the HP Omen 16 comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM in dual channel mode clocked at 5200 MHz. This ensures quick and efficient data processing, allowing you to run demanding games and applications without any lag. In terms of storage, the laptop offers 512GB of Gen 4 SSD, providing lightning fast read and write speeds. Additionally, it comes with 25GB of Dropbox storage for 1 year, allowing you to conveniently store your files in the cloud. But I personally feel that at least 1TB of storage in 2023 is a minimum for games, as this laptop is majorly going to be used by gamers, and games in 2023 are getting larger and larger. Talking about the screen, the HP Omen 16 features a 16.1-inch IPS anti-glare panel with a native resolution of 1920 by 1080p and an aspect ratio of 16:9. The display offers a rate of 144Hz, ensuring smooth and fluid visuals during gameplay. While the color gamut of 45% NTSC is average, it still delivers decent color reproduction for gaming and multimedia consumption. Moreover, the laptop supports G-Sync, providing a tear-free gaming experience, a 7-millisecond gray-to-gray response time to prevent screen ghosting, and it has a peak brightness of 250 nits, which is on the lower side, but in real-life application, it feels good to use in broad daylight without any issues. Talking about the build quality and design, HP has made significant improvements in this year's model. The laptop sports a sleek and modern look with a chrome Omen logo replacing the previous rhombic shape. The shadow black color and smooth feather finish give it a premium feel. The laptop is made of metal, providing durability, while the rest of the body is made of high-quality plastic that feels premium and has minimal top-lid flex. And finally, HP gave a gaming laptop which has stable hinges. Praise the Lord, as the hinges ensure there is minimal screen wobble, which is truly a blessing for HP Omen gamers. There is a negligible keyboard flex even when pressing down hard. It can easily be opened with one hand, telling you how good the weight distribution of this laptop is. When it comes to portability, HP Omen 16 does not disappoint. With dimensions of 14.53 by 10.21 by 0.95 inches and an approximate weight of 2.35 kg, this laptop is easy to carry and ideal for gamers on the go. The slim profile and lightweight design make it a portable powerhouse that can accompany you wherever you go. It has very narrow side bezels but a bigger bezel on the top and a huge chin at the bottom due to that 16:9 aspect ratio. It has a 10 keyless keyboard, which might be a letdown for some players and professionals who need a numpad, but on the brighter side, it does not feel congested and feels better to look at. It has 4 zones of RGB, which look really nice and have a good brightness to it. The brightness and colors can be changed through the Omen Gaming Hub. It has a good sized and fully clickable trackpad with multi-gesture support and feels quite smooth and good to use. The build quality of HP Omen 16 is commendable. The laptop features a combination of recycled ocean plastic and agricultural waste, making it an environmentally conscious choice. The air exhaust vents on the sides, on the back, air intake vents on the bottom, along with the rubber grips which elevate the laptop, ensures sufficient airflow which prevents overheating during intense gaming session. In terms terms of connectivity, the laptop offers a decent selection of ports. It has in total 3 USB Type-A ports and 1 USB Type-C port. On the right side, you'll find one USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 port that supports data transfer, power delivery up to 100 watts, which means it can be used to charge the laptop with a 100 watts power brick, so you don't have to carry a massive charger along with it every time you go. DisplayPort 1.4 functionality, which supports video output up to 8K 60Hz and has an always-on functionality. Additionally, there are two USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports and HDMI 2.1 port with support for up to 8K 60Hz display and a charging jack. On the left side, there is an RJ45 port, another USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 2 port with always-on functionality and an audio mic combo jack. There are no ports on the back, which is really a missed opportunity for HP to give a cleaner port setup like most laptops nowadays are doing. Rest, the port selection is decent according to me, giving 3 USB Type-A ports with features like always-on USB, power delivery, DisplayPort, etc., giving users ample options. If you think this is it, well, this laptop has much more to offer. It has a mux switch, it has Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for that seamless connectivity. It has really good 2-watt speakers by Bang & Olufsen, which sound very loud and clear with a good bass. It feels almost like a theater experience in my opinion. Here is how they sound. It has a 1080p Full HD webcam with temporal noise reduction and dual array mic, which is really great to use. It has a privacy shutter on the webcam, which is really important nowadays. It comes with a 230-watt charger and a battery of 83 watt-hour, which is very good and provides an awesome backup of 4 hours of regular usage with screen brightness to mid, Optimus turned on, other RGB effects turned off, operated at 60Hz refresh rate. And it gives about 2 hours of gameplay, which indicates that the battery backup is just fantastic. Speaking of performance, HP Omen 16 exceeds in every aspect. With its powerful CPU and GPU combination, this laptop can handle demanding tasks like hardcore gaming, streaming, 4K level editing, creative workloads, coding, and even AI work. The 6GB of VRAM provides ample resources for machine learning and AI applications. To put the laptop's performance to a test, we ran several benchmark tests. In Cinebench R23, the laptop scored an impressive 12,112 in multi-core performance and 1,719 in single-core performance. Similarly, in Geekbench, it achieved a single-core score of 2378 and a multi-core score of 8205. PC Mark 10 scored 7010. 3D Mark TimeSpy scored 9398 CPU, 8690 GPU, and 8754 overall score. These scores demonstrate the laptop's prowess in handling resource-intensive tasks with ease. Gaming is where HP Omen 16 truly shines. Equipped with RTX 4050 GPU, this laptop delivers exceptional gaming performance. We tested the laptop on several AAA titles, running them at recommended settings, which were mostly a mixture of high and very high settings, with DLSS balanced and ray tracing enabled to push the limits of RTX 4050. This was used without a cooling pad and at 32 degrees Celsius room temperature. Despite the demanding graphic settings, the laptop delivered smooth and immersive gameplay experiences. Here are the FPS data that we recorded. As you can see, the HP Omen 16 provides excellent FPS even with ray tracing enabled. The thermals of this laptop are so impressive, with temperatures well managed and no instances of crossing even 85 degrees. HP has truly outdone themselves in terms of thermal management, surpassing even some of the well-known gaming laptops like Legion and Predator. Though this laptop having a 13420 CPU might also be a contributing factor, as it is a relatively low-powered processor, but nevertheless the performance of this laptop is undisputed whatsoever. Talking about the software support, the HP Omen comes with Omen Gaming Hub software, which helps in control the laptop's performance, aesthetics, and has other settings that can make user experience really good. It has a dedicated key on the keyboard, pressing down which opens the HP Omen Gaming Hub. It displays laptop's various chats like CPU usage, GPU usage, RAM usage, etc., which comes under System Vitals. It has an option for Network Booster, which basically allots bandwidth according according to your needs, so you can allot the higher bandwidth to the task that you're actively doing and allot a lower bandwidth to the task that you don't really need to focus on. This is a really nice feature for hardcore gaming so that you can focus all the internet speed on the game. And also it is very useful for meetings and online classes, as you can always increase the bandwidth towards your meetings so that you don't experience lag by other softwares using the network bandwidth. Next, it has lighting tab, which basically helps you control the 4 zones of RGB that this laptop has to offer. You can also change the brightness and different colors in this tab. Next is performance control, which helps you change different thermal profiles like quiet mode, performance mode, or balanced mode according to the needs, which basically controls the fan speed and allows higher TDP to certain hardware so that it may perform as required. Additionally, it also has a manual fan control option, which a lot of gaming laptops don't have nowadays, and you can actually set the fan speed according to your need and comfort. And at the last, it has the graphics switcher, which is basically the mux switch, in which you can switch the display from iGPU to directly from the DGPU. Talking about the price of this laptop, it is available for purchase on Amazon for 1,05,000 as of making this video. However, you can get a better deal and a chance to experience the laptop firsthand by visiting Premier Laptop Store's exclusive HP Omen showroom in Ludhiana. They have a wide range of HP gaming laptops on display, allowing you to make an informed decision before buying the laptop. And they are providing this laptop as of making this video for 97,500 with many good deals on the site. Contact details in the description. So now the question arises, is the HP Omen 16 worth the investment? Considering its performance, design, and overall value, the answer is a resounding yes. While the screen's color gamut might be a letdown for color accuracy tasks, it still delivers a decent visual experience for gaming and entertainment purposes. Moreover, the laptop's portability and connectivity options make it a versatile choice for gamers on the move. In conclusion, the HP Omen 16 offers a top-notch performance, impressive thermals, and a sleek design that will undoubtedly elevate your gaming experience. With its powerful hardware and thoughtful features, this laptop is a worthy investment for both casual and hardcore gamers. So what are you waiting for? Grab your HP Omen 16 and embark on your gaming adventures today.